Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Telegram to Telegram. First, download the Telegram application on your new device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can find it in your device's App Store or on the official Telegram website. Once installed, open the application and tap the Start Messaging button. You will then be prompted to enter the phone number linked to your current Telegram account. This is the crucial first step to linking your devices seamlessly. After entering your phone number, Telegram will send a verification code. This code might arrive as an SMS to your phone or directly as a message within your already active Telegram session on another device. Carefully enter this 5-digit code into the new device's Telegram application. Once verified, your entire chat history, contacts, and media will automatically synchronize. This ensures a consistent experience across all your connected devices, usually within a few seconds. One of Telegram's greatest strengths is its seamless multi-device support. You can be logged into your account on several phones, tablets, and computers simultaneously without any issues. All your messages, photos, and files are instantly accessible and synchronized across every connected device. This means you can start a conversation on your phone, continue it on your computer, and finish it on your tablet, all without missing a beat. It offers incredible flexibility. For security and convenience, you can easily manage all your active Telegram sessions. Simply go to your Telegram settings, then navigate to Devices or Privacy and Security, and select Active Sessions. Here, you'll see a list of all devices currently logged into your account. If you ever lose a device or want to log out remotely, you can terminate any session with just one tap, ensuring your privacy and control over your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.